I didn't know there were earrings. Look at it. Okay, this is the cheese earrings. Why are you eating my earrings, Mousy? And
Ako pala yung umakas ng bahay. Ang dalawang pera, 3,000.
And this is her earrings.
Bakit?
It's a
Pero yung
bamboo.
tigil 100 ha, hindi ko ginagastos yun.
Hi.
Tapos
And I
bumili
can
pa ako
make
ng gamot na 1,000.
Teleport. Look. Teleport. Skin.
Oo. Ano nga yun? Maton? Ano?
Ta-da!
Mason.
Kanila yun.
Bye-bye.
Yan, mason.
I didn't know there was
Yan ang mga rekwa ng mga
so
tricycle.
squishy. Look. Squishy, squishy, squishy. And look at this one. This smart girl. Squishy, squishy, squishy. I can't squish it because of the glasses. Squishy. So cute. Now look at their back. Hi. I can make that. I'm gonna zoom in the tail and then it's gonna go right up here. Here.
Tatag-ulan na ngayon.
Right
Kaya
up
sila nagpapalagay
here.
na ng mga...
Here to here.
Alam mo
Look,
na kung
look
pinapasok
at
sa Mabini, wala yun.
Alin?
Yan. Yung mga bahay na yan.
Wait, I'm gonna zoom in.
Ha?
Nagtaas daw ng ano.
Ta-da!
Compass na yun.
Let's do a modeling rollway. Let's do it right now. 3, 2, 1, go! The cutest in the world. It's Minnie Stacy! Hala, 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 hey. For our next contestant, Minnie Manoy! I will be shy. Bye.
Nasaan na ngayon, Mama Sel?
That's
Paano
the
pag kayo
end.
bumili ulit niyan tapos ikapareho?